Leonardo AI Beginner tutorial. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how to use Leonardo AI. So for that we will simply go to Play Store. So I will simply click on Play Store. Here you guys will search for Leonardo AI. So simply search for Leonardo AI. Once you search for that, you guys will simply click on that second app. You need to install that. I already installed it, so I will simply update it. Once you install it, simply click on Leonardo AI. Now wait for some seconds. Here you guys will see that type of interface. So simply click on get started. Now here you guys will see sign up or log in with Google, Apple or Microsoft. Also you guys can sign up using email or password. So I will simply click on Google. Now wait for some seconds. Now select the Google account you want to sign up. After that click on continue. Now here you guys can see it will say pick your username and other things like what is your interest. So it will choose username automatically or you can write it by manually. After that select some one of them like art or anything. Now allow Leonardo AI and second one you need to also read it. After that click on get started. If it say please select role, simply select role what you role like professional or anything. After that click on get started. Now wait for some seconds. Now our Leonardo AI account was set up. The question is how we can generate images. So for that simply click on generate. Here you guys will see type a prompt, also setting option and other option. So simply type your prompt. Also you guys will see pick option with plus icon. So when you click on that you guys can upload any pic or you guys can write a prompt with pic. So you in Leonardo AI will make similar pic or like it depend on your prompt. So that's how you guys can use Leonardo AI. The one pic generation took 46 coins and when you created account you get 150 coins. So that's how you guys can use Leonardo AI. Thanks for watching.